In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to download Pocket app by Piggyvest. All you just need to do, just go to your Google Play Store, or if you are using an iPhone, you can just go to your Apple App Store. Then on the search bar, just search for Pocket. So search for Pocket app. You can see Pocket app right there. So just click on the second one option, second one right here. You can see Pocket app by Piggyvest. So just click on that, and basically you can see the app have over 30,000 reviews, and then over 4.5 for the rating, and total uh data to download this app is 22 MB. And if you scroll the way down, you're gonna see all the review from people who have been using this app before. So once you find the app, just click on install. Then the app is going to download directly to your device. So we're also making more video around Pocket app, on how to use it and some other features inside the app. So you can look at some suggestion of the video below, or you can just go through the channel and then you will see more videos around Pocket app.